Hi guys, this is Akhlaq Hamid. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, I know it's been quite some months now since I did my last video, but I've just come back and bought this DJI Mini mic here. So just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. I know these mics have just come out like I'd say before Christmas if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys what I got. So it comes with this pouch over here, and in this pouch you get these transmitters. So let's just open it up and see what we get here. Like I say, you know, I've only just bought this now, and this kind of technology has been out for like I'd say before Christmas if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it comes with these microphones. You know, this is the battery case what I'm showing, so I'm just gonna open this up right now and see what we get in here. So it can be a bit tricky when you're opening things up on the first day. So it's got this sticker, so I'm just gonna remove this sticker over here. Now these mini mics, they are impressive from what I've seen on YouTube reviews, so I thought I'd go out there and buy some for myself. So yeah, so there it is. You get the two mini mics and also the receiver here. So let's have a look, see how small these are. I mean, I'm actually quite impressed the size on these. I mean, just look how small these are. They're very tiny, and the sound quality is meant to be good as well. So what I'll do is later on, I'm going to do a full review on these things, and then I'll give you an update on what I thought. But yeah, guys, I'm actually impressed with the size, as I've said. You know, it comes with a little battery pack. They're very useful for when you're on the go. So if you want to take your laptop with you, you've got these small mics, so very useful. And let's see what we got in here. I think must be the charging cable. We also got the audio connector here. So yeah, so that's what we get here. So I'm gonna also do a unboxing video of the Osmo Mobile 7 as well, because I believe you can connect these mics to that as well, to the Osmo 7. I believe these are the dead cats over here. So yeah, that's what we have, the dead cats. So yeah, like I say guys, I am going to test this out properly so I can give you guys a better idea of what they're like. But yeah, so far I'm actually loving the look on these. But yeah, anyway guys, I will do a full review as I said. But if you did like this video, I know it's a quick one, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.